What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, guys, what up, everyone? What up, Koya? What's up? Let's do some quick rainbow bearing. We're gonna jump right into it because we got some stuff going on here. Alright, so we have our HOUR, no news, and then we have ONCR, no news. Alright, never mind. I thought we had some aftermarket action. It appears not. Let me just double check. Yep, nothing happening so far. Cool. Back to the main screen. Alright, yeah, what up, Koya, and what's up, Ken? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys as always. What's up with Avia? Keeps moving up. I'm not sure. We'll check it out. If you want me to. I'm assuming you do. But yeah, I'm really not sure. But isn't that a good thing that you want it to move up? You're not complaining, are you? We'll check it out. Okay. Cool. Alright, guys. So, today is Monday, January 17th. My bad, not Monday. Tuesday. We had Monday off yesterday. Tuesday, January 17th, 2022. 2023. I'm just effing up all over the place today. Let's do it again. Today is, I was going to say Monday again. Today is Tuesday, January 17th, 2023. There we go. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Alright. Cool. Alright, so today we're doing the show from the stock exchange. Well, first of all, hope everyone had a great weekend. Great, long extended weekend. And we're back at it. So today we're doing the show from the stock exchange, New York Stock Exchange. That is because we had a pretty neutral day here. Let me see how crypto did, actually. Actually, I have no idea. Yeah, so NASDAQ, little in the green, SPY, little in the red. Dow Jones was down quite a bit. And I believe crypto was in the green today. Don't really know. So we could have went with the stock exchange, could have went with Ramanistan, but yeah, we'll go with the stock exchange. But it really wasn't all that. It was probably more bear. It definitely was more bearish than bullish, the stock market. So yeah, could have went with Ramanistan, could have went with the stock exchange. We'll go with the stock exchange today. But yeah, today wasn't that great. Today was slightly bearish in my opinion, but we'll check it out here in a second. I shorted and it moved up. F me, haha. I thought you were long. What happened? You went long, you sold, and then you went short. You tried to go Chad mode. Well, good. Are you still in there or what? Good luck to you there. Alright. So, today's show, great show for you guys today, but gonna be a pretty short show. And especially because today is Tuesday and slightly bearish day. You know, I don't expect too many people to come in and watch today. But yes, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Live rainbow bearing. We have 2 articles today. Let me see here. Yeah, not much news going on. Pretty uneventful day. We have an update on FTX. And we have news about the Fed. And their role on climate change. Yeah. Yeah, that is real. So 2 articles, FTX update, Fed's role on climate change. That shouldn't take too long. We have 6 Yolos today, so that shouldn't take too long either. And yeah, live rainbow bearing. And really, that's all we got for today. And we'll do some TA here. We do have some honorable mentions. We're going to look at Mullen, Bed Bath & Beyond. Wow, AMC went up a lot, huh? I didn't even realize that. Alright, yeah, so we'll look at AMC, Mullen, Bed Bath & Beyond, AMC, Tesla went up quite a bit too. And BBIG. So 4 stocks we'll look at. Mullen, BBBY, AMC, BBIG. All those stocks in the double digits. I wasn't planning on doing full real TA, but let's see how these charts come out, actually. And I may or may not do some bonus TA after the show, but probably not. We'll see. Anyway, yeah, so no full TA, but quick TA. Honorable mentions, Mullen, Bed Bath & Beyond, AMC, and BBIG. We might look at Tesla, too. But yeah, no full TA. And then we'll finish up with the, Yolos. Only 6 Yolos today, so that shouldn't take too long. See here. What Up Bud did 397 puts, so we'll see what happens. What's the expiration? All right, dude. Well, what up, Austin? What's up? Been a minute, dude, since I've seen you come around. So welcome back. Appreciate you as always. Yeah, good luck. I try to go bear mode. I cover. Now I'm long. Climate change. These. It keeps getting cold. F them. Yeah. Well, I don't want to get too political here. I agree, bro. But, yeah, we'll get to that. Alright, guys. So appreciate everyone for being here. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. I was about to say that right now. Let's go, guys. And before we begin, please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Raw Coco in trouble with investors? Why? BBIG's mooning today. Aren't they happy? Mullen's down, though. But Bed Bath & Beyond, AMC, and BBIG are up. Okay. Let's do another scan here. See what's going on. Live Rainbow Bear. Not seeing anything. At all. Yep, nothing going on today. Not yet, at least. Aftermarket. Alright, let's get to my place. Welcome back to that. Alright, I gotta do some updating here. I did sell this, right? Yeah, I did. No, I sold this. Sold that. Oops. Sold that. Sold that. Well, Ape went up a lot. Yeah, I got wrecked on Ape today. Wow. Because, yeah, probably because AMC went up so much for no reason. Alright. Currency LXT BTCM Ethereum DCFC. Okay. All good to go. BBIG delisting, bro. Are you trolling? I don't think you're trolling. I think you're telling the truth there. I think we talked about that last week. But if that is true, it makes a lot of sense, right? Delisting. So, yeah, it moves 20%. Give me a second here, guys. I'm pouring myself a drink. And then we're going to get to my place. Okay. Cool. All right. Let's get to my place today. Did a January 31st and March 3rd puts for 397, which is like at the money. All right. So that's, I mean, it's not that bad. It's not that risky. At the money, decent strikes. So we'll see how it goes. You know, it's about a 50-50. We'll see how it goes. Good luck to you. Hope it works out. Spent a pretty penny on them. Yeah, so good luck to you. Really hope it works out. Yeah, they're delisting. And people say, Rara Coco, you said the short is in trouble. Well, it did moon 20% today, so he has something to say, right? Rashad Lewis Jr., thoughts on BKKT? Sure, we'll look at that. Let's later on in the show. Hopefully you're still here. Alright, guys, let's get to my place today. So, alright, let's run down the list. IVCX. Wait a minute, do I still have this? No, I don't. No, I don't. Alright, my bad. SLNO, up 0.4%, down $20. REKR down 4.5%, up 250. ISO down 6.1%, up 205. ORIC down 1%, up 35. PRQR up 0.6%, down 20. Ape up 13.15%, down 440. Yeah, what the hell's going on with these meme stocks? Guess meme mania is not over yet. JSPR up 2.8%, down 140. BLPH up 6.6%, down 195. SPRB down 4%, up 130. BWEN down 3.6%, up 140. BBAI down 23.7%, up 450. KERN up 1.85%, down 45. CLTX in at 35 cents, so I'm up $30 right now, $40. I was down like 1,000 earlier, so yep. Diamond Balls, BTCM up 165 there, and ATER up 135. So I'm probably going to cover Ethereum and BTCM before the market closes. Yeah, I think that's the move. So I'm just going to cover BTCM and ATER before the market closes. Cash in those gains there. Oh, and DCFC made about 450 there, and SHPH made about like 400 there. So how many plays today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 17 plays. I did pretty decently. I mean, not. Oh, actually, yeah, I made 1,345. Pretty good. I will take it. I will take it. I'll be honest, I did not think I did that well. But hey, not complaining. I will take it. Alright, cool. think I'll take these prices here. Let me see. Ethereum, BTC, and 130. Yeah, I think I'll just take 135. Alright, I just covered Ethereum and BTCM. Put in the order for that. Alright, I just covered Ethereum and I'm about to cover BTCM. 435. Alright, cool. Word. Alright. Alright. BKKT lagging behind Bitcoin is set up to squeeze. I don't know about that, but yeah, we'll check out the chart in a second. MPP set up for a squeeze. Yeah, also I don't know about that. Alright. Let's do another scan and then we'll look at BKKT real quick and then we'll do our watch list. What was that? BTCM. Yeah, that was most of BTCM. Alright, nothing's really happening aftermarket here. So we'll come back to this again. Alright, let's look at BKKT real quick. Okay, it's kind of bull flagging. I mean, it is bull flagging. Here is the bull flag forming. That's bullish. What was that? Alright, fully filled on BTCM. Of course, Ethereum's pulling back now. Anyway. I just covered BTCM and ATER. Alright, back to this. So that's bullish. RSI's at 58, so pretty neutral. A little bit above average. So neutral to slightly bearish there. MACD is bullish. Cup and handle. That could have topped out already. That actually seems bearish. So it looked like it already squeezed and it's pulling back now. It looks like volume is coming down and yeah, it's selling off. So I'm gonna be honest. I think it already squeezed. I think a gamma squeezed and it's over. I think it's due for some significant pullback here. Or at least right now it's a falling knife, so I don't really recommend going long here. That's really not a great idea in my opinion. And I mean, going short's not the greatest play either. But I would definitely recommend going short over going long. If I had to choose one. I just stay away from this one. I mean, who knows? Maybe it's not done squeezing, but I think it's likely that it is done, and it's just pulling back now. And at some point, I guess it'll squeeze again. The next meme mania. Yeah, it looks pretty done to me. Meme mania is not over just yet, but this one looks pretty done to me. So I'm gonna say short term bearish. Long term, the chart looks bullish. So technically, yeah, short term bearish, long term bullish, I would say. Fundamentally, really don't know. Don't know much about the company. So maybe that's not what you want to hear. But oh yeah, honestly speaking, it looks more bearish to me. Short term bearish, in my opinion. So I hope that helps. All right, let's get to the watch list. Do another scan, although we literally just did one. I'm just trying to find a play here. What was that? I saw something actually. LUCD. Alright. Got something there. Here comes a siren. My apologies, guys. Going to talk over it. Alright, we'll keep an eye on this. LUCD. Going up aftermarket. Had some news. TKAT. Alright. So it's just LUCD. Keep an eye on that. Other than that, nothing else going on. Alright. Let's get to... Let me clear some of this up. Alright, yeah, I wish Ape didn't moon so hard today. That sucked. Alright. Quotes. Cool. Alright, take a drink. Let's do the watch list here. Time is at 4:30. Pretty good on time. Please smash the like button, guys. If you haven't yet, please, thank you. All right, let's do it. So the Dow Jones down 1.14%. Good. Nasdaq up 0.14%, and the S&P or SPY down 0.18%. The VIX is up 5.5%, up 1.01 points. So we're at 19.36 VIX now. So yeah, overall slightly bearish day here in the market. Nasdaq, Dow Jones cancel each other out. Or excuse me, Nasdaq, SPY cancel each other out, but the Dow Jones down quite a bit. So yeah, kind of a guh. We'll just give that some applause. Bro, what's with the market? It's actually coming back so far in 2023. But yeah, still not volatile, but still unsure, it seems like, investors. It's just trading sideways for the past few days. Yeah, but it's been up for 2023. It looks like the sentiment is changing, and it does appear to be bullish again, or the market is turning bullish again. Not financial advice. But I've been saying probably middle 2023, end of 2023, we'll be out of the recession. It appears like we're on track for that. Okay. Let's run on the watch list here. So, Ethereum, 37%. And I just cashed that out right now at 135, and of course it's down to 131 now, never fails. XELA up 30%. So these memes are squeezing today. AMC, which we'll look at, honorable mention, up 20%. BBIG, 20%. Bed Bath and Beyond, 13%. BBIG is 17.8%. So we'll look at all of those honorable mentions. But yeah, the memes are squeezing today. Looks like Meme Mania is not over just yet. Looks like crypto's up, Marathon, MicroStrategy, Coinbase, ANY. Yeah, we got other memes here. Virgin Galactic, IMPP, Tesla's up 7.43%. We can look at that. Honorable mention. Yeah, GME is up. And Nvidia is up about 5%. Meme index up almost 4%. So, yeah, memes mooning today. Growth slash memes. But also pretty decent growth. So yeah, Tilray's up. Domino's up 2%. McDonald's 2%. Chevron 1.65. So, value is like 2% and lower. Yeah, we got TD, eBay, Apple, Microsoft, Costco, BP, all that good stuff. So decent amount of stocks in the green. Most of the price action, growth in memes, and value did go up a little bit, but not that much. Let's check out the red side. So Mullen, another honorable mention, we'll get to that, down 16% today. Other than that, Xpeng is down 6.3%. All right, looks like Chinese EVs down. Yeah, Xpeng, Baidu. Happened to gold. Yeah, Neo down. Verizon, Amazon 2%. Bank of America, Netflix 2%. That's pretty bad. Yeah, there's a lot of value in the red here. Intel, Fox, Discover, Cisco, Alibaba, JP Morgan, Target, Meta, Google. Alright, yeah, Nike, Starbucks, IBM, all that good stuff. So, it appears like growth doing really good today. Growth in memes and value not doing so good. So, for the most part. So, excuse me. All right. So, generally speaking, apes winning today. Boomers not doing so great. Bulls doing okay. Rainbow Bears doing okay. I made money as a Rainbow Bear today, but yeah, today was overall slightly bearish. So, hope you guys made money. If you're an ape, you made money for the most part. But if not, hope it wasn't too bad. Should have been too bad. Shouldn't have been too bad. So let's just give today some applause. Well, I'll take it. I was in the green. All right, cool. Let's do another scan, and let's get to crypto and the news. ATXI. Taken off here for no reason. All right, yeah, nothing going on post-market. All right, give me a second here. Let me pull up crypto and the news. Let me check YouTube as well. 3 viewers, 8 likes. All right, thank you guys. Appreciate everyone. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Appreciate it.
I appreciate you.
Okay. All right, let's do crypto. So crypto is up 0.6% today. Give that some money. Slightly bullish day here. Let's check it out. Bitcoin up about 0.9% over 21K. Ether up 0.1%, pushing 1,600. Binance up 0.9%. XRP 1.15. Cardano 0.45. Doge down 0.25. Not that much price action here. Solana down 0.9. Yeah, not seeing too much going on. Let's sort this out. I guess we'll start on the red side. There's actually not too many coins in the red here. Doesn't appear like. We'll call it 40% of the coins in the red. So, yeah, about a third of the coins in the red. Not that bad. Not much price action. Biggest loser is Aptos, 5.84%. I don't see too much. There's actually decent value, I guess. Leo, Kronos, Uniswap. Not really, though. Yeah, red side's not too bad. Green side, so yeah, 60% of the coins in the green. Price action not that great either. Biggest gainer is Casper, 13.85%, only coin in the double digits. And I don't see too much value. There's Avalanche, Polkadot, Monero, Chainlink. I guess it's decent. But, yeah, not too much going on today, but slightly bullish. So, more coins in the green than the red. And more price action. So, nothing too crazy today, but slightly bullish day here in the crypto market. And we're almost back at 1 trillion market cap. Almost. 995.91 billion. So, yeah, crypto is coming back. For now. So, yeah, slightly bullish day here in the stock market. So, slightly bearish day in the, crypto market. So, slightly bearish day in the stock market, slightly bullish day here in the crypto market. So, overall, pretty neutral day. So, let's just give that some applause. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. Or at least hope you guys made some tendies. And if not, hope you didn't lose too many. Alright, let's get to the news today. Only 2 articles. Once again, one about FTX update and one about the Fed and climate change. Let's read. FTX debitors identify $5.5 billion of liquid assets in a Herculean effort. Alright, FTX has identified $5.5 billion in liquid assets, part of what CEO John Ray called a Herculean effort to untangle the firm's finances. FTX.com and FTX US each face digital asset shortfalls, the FTX debitors said in a statement. Okay. So last week we saw that we read an article that 5 billion was likely recovered, which is a lot. I think 10 billion went missing. So I was saying this is actually a lot better than everyone expected. They got half the funds back, And now they got another 500 million back. And I guess they're not done just yet. So when all is said and done, it appears like everyone's getting back at least 55 cents on the dollar for right now, which is pretty good for a Ponzi scheme. That's a lot better than most Ponzi schemes. Most of the time you see pennies on the dollar. I think Madoff, they actually got quite a bit back, but this is a really good job by John Ray and his team recovering these assets here. And I think there's also what happened to the real estate. Yeah, what happened to the real estate in the Bahamas? What happened to the Robinhood shares? Is that included in this? I don't think it is. So, yeah, really good work so far. This is really good news. You know, everyone's not going to get all their money back, but this is like the best case scenario that we could have asked for. Looks like people are going to get a lot of their money back. So keep it up, keep it up. Just an update here on FTX. All right, and last article. Fed directs big banks to disclose how they are preparing for climate change risks. The 6 largest banks in the U.S. have until the end of July to show the impact that climate change could have on their operations. The institutions are to show the impact that climate could have on their loan portfolios and commercial real estate holdings. Participating banks include Bank of America, Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan Chase, Morgan Stanley, and Wells Fargo. The deadline for submissions is July 31st. Okay. So last week we read an article saying that Jay Powell stated that the Fed will not get involved with climate change and politics and whatnot. And yeah, this week I guess he's doing a 180. And now he's telling the banks they gotta talk about how they're gonna stop climate change. They're banks, bro. Come on.
Bruh.
So yeah, I don't want to get too political, but what the hell, bro? Just weird. Highly suspicious. He literally said we're not going to get involved with climate change, and 1 week later he does this. And you know Greta Thunberg, the how dare you little girl? Maybe she's not so little anymore. I think she got arrested today at a coal mine. So I was reading some articles. Anyway. So yeah, Jay Powell lied. Kinda, and up to this point he's been pretty truthful for the most part, so that's kinda strange. So yeah, I guess the Fed now is involved in climate change and going green. I don't know, dude. So minor news, but yeah, really weird. And the guy literally said not going to do this, so I don't know what's going on here. Hey, whatever. As long as you get inflation under control and do your job, primary job, have at it. All right, cool. Honking. All right, guys. So yeah, that's all the articles for today. Only 2. That was real quick. So let me actually load up the Yolos here and let that load while we do some TA. Alright. Another scan here. So we're looking at Mullen, Bed Bath & Beyond, AMC, and BBIG, and Tesla, I believe. Okay, still not really any aftermarket action. What up, Machete? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
A little bit of lag there. What's up, dude? Appreciate you, as always, for being here. What's up with ATXI? I may have to go for that, but no news. Still squeezing aftermarket. Quite a bit, too. Add that to my watch list. Oops. Yeah, ATXI is up 100% now. Might have to short that tomorrow. Janet Yellen said inflation is temporary about 2 years ago. It is coming down now, finally. It's at 6.5%. So it's come down 4.5%, or about 5%. So, yeah, we're about halfway there. So, she wasn't wrong. She was just early. Yeah, I know, dude. Okay. Guys, haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you. Alright, let's look at some stocks here. Some stonks. Mullen. Abe's favorite stock here. Is there a reason why this tanked? I don't see any news, so probably just meme mania being over. Yeah, so this gap down today. I think it did. 35.03. Yeah, gap down at 35. So probably coming back up to 35. 49 RSI, so 30 cents fair market value. MACD. About to cross to the downside. That's not good. Aftermarket action going up. Did this gap ever fill? It did. Alright, so at some point, this appears like it's coming back up to 35. So that's decent upside, almost 20% from here. So I don't know if you should buy right now, because this low-key looks like a falling knife. But at some point, this should come back up to 35. Fill the gap there. So, yeah, right now this is fair market value, 30 cents. Bearish indicators in the MACD. Bullish indicators in the gap down. Neutral neutral indicator in the RSI. Pretty hard to tell, but yeah, I'd stay away from it right now and just observe and see when this starts to bottom out, catch support. And at some point, this should come back up to 35. So I think this is a decent buy right now, but give it a little bit, couple of days, and you might be able to get a little better price. So decent long play right here. Decent long play. Not the best, but decent long play here. You should be able to make about 20% to the upside. So again, I wouldn't go for it just yet, but give it a few days, and you should be able to get a pretty decent price here. And this should come back up to 35 at some point. Okay. Let's go Bed Bath & Beyond. Sell cash secured puts, get paid to buy. Yeah, I agree. You need quite a bit of money for that. But yes, Theta Gang all the way. I agree. For Mullen. Well, yeah, I guess you don't need that much money. I wouldn't buy Mullen anyway, but that is one way to play it, yes. Alright, Bed Bath & Beyond. Yo, this low-key looks like a bull flag. Bull flag in here. I'm not saying it's gonna moon, but bull flag. Coming down in the post market, so that's bearish. RSI at 59 right now, so still above average there. So, and MACD is bullish right now. And cup and handle and triple gap down. So in the short term, is this a gap up? That is a gap up. So yeah, and it's filled this gap today. So yeah, in the short term, all right. So bearish indicators in the RSI, gap up, aftermarket action. Bullish indicators in the bull flag, MACD. So, it may not be done squeezing just yet. But to me, it looks like it is. Losing volume here, and it went up today, but this is losing volume, so yeah, to me this is bearish short term. It definitely is, according to the charts, the indicators, more bearish than bullish, but looks pretty bearish to me. I think it's coming down to, what is this, 224 to fill the gap here. Is this another gap? No. 224. Fill this gap here. So that's still quite a bit to the downside from the current price. So yeah, and this is a bankruptcy squeeze, which makes no sense. So yeah, little bit risky, but if you short it here, that would be a pretty decent price. Pretty decent entry. Pretty above average entry on the short side, and you should be able to make a lot of money here, down to 224, so whatever that is, 40%. So yeah, maybe not done squeezing yet, but looks like it's pretty much over. I think going short's a good play. So yeah, I support going short, covering at 224. Don't think you should go long right now. Looks bearish to me in the short term. Long term looks bullish. Technically, not fundamentally. Fundamentally, this is trash. So I would not buy and hold this. So, yeah, so for now, shorting is the move, in my opinion. All right. Next one. AMC, right? Yeah. All right. AMC 20% today. All right. So this has a gap to fill. Lots of gaps. Short AMC, is that okay? Honestly, yeah, I would say so. I would say so. Not financial advice, but yeah, there's a gap up here at 408, so this is probably coming back down to 408 at some point to fill this gap. But at the same time, there's also a double gap down at 19 and 17.5, so yeah, long term looks bullish. But short term, this is probably due for some pullback. 51 RSI, so actually $6 is around fair market value. MACD is bullish, pulling away to the upside. Yeah, cup and handle, double gap down. So I'm gonna say short term bearish, long term bullish on this one. AMC can move up to 21 like easy. Yeah, it can, but meme mania's over. So unlikely, but it is possible. Maybe long is better. Well, depends what you're trying to do here. But I'm going to say short-term bearish, long-term bullish. So this should pull back about 30%. 30% downside potential here. AMC. So, yeah, short-term bearish, long-term bullish, in my opinion. On AMC here. Is there news on this? I don't think so. AMC Apes Nation very strong. Yeah, but again, meme mania is over. What's next? BBIG. Is this really going bankrupt? Or are you trolling? Delisted? What up, Kesman? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being there, dude. Appreciate you as always. Some Weibo article I posted in Discord. I have no idea. Yeah, it looks pretty legit. Okay. All right, BBIG, 70 RSI. So this is overbought, overvalued. MACD bullish. Cup and handle developing here. May have topped out already. But cup and handle developing. Alright, so long term, chart looks bullish, technically. Fundamentally, probably not a great company. I don't recommend buying and holding this. So if you're gonna go long, you know, swing trade it. Don't buy and hold. But yeah, overbought, overvalued right now. 70 RSI. And not really sure why this is mooning. This is a meme stock. So I guess meme mania is not over just yet. But yeah, this is for sure gonna pull back in the short term. There may be a bit more to go to the upside. I'm gonna say this is max potential. I'd say this goes up to $1 to complete the cup and handle. But yeah, this is overbought, overvalued right now. Meme stock. Gonna get delisted. So yeah, I think this is a pretty clear short. This should pull back to around 60 cents at least to form the handle. Yeah. Yeah, so this is probably going to pull back to around 60 cents at least to form the handle. So there's some decent downside here. Not the best. Yeah, so honestly, I just stay away from this one. Long or short right now. This is kind of a gamble. But if I had to choose one, I'd say go short. There should be at least 10% downside here. So, yeah, I'm going to say short term, this may run to $1, but yeah, short term, this is bearish. This should pull back pretty soon. Long term, technically looks bullish, but but fundamentally is trash. So I would not buy and hold this stock. So too late to go long, in my opinion, and not the most downside potential, but seems like you should be able to make at least 10% on the downside here. I'm making nice money flipping GELF, constantly going from 135 to 142 and back to 135. All right, we'll check it out. XLA trying to haul ass for whatever reason. Check that out too. Okay. So yeah, BBIG. Again, probably going to pull back to at least 60 cents, but may run to $1 in the short term. So good luck there, guys. And Tesla. too many lines here. All right, Tesla's making a comeback, 47 RSI, so pretty fair market value. There are gaps to be filled, it appears like. 2 gap ups. So, yeah, gapped up today at 123 and back at 115. So, long term, obviously bullish. Gap down, cup and handle. Tesla not going anywhere, but short term, this is probably going to come back down to 115, 114. Fill this gap, then run to the upside again. So, about 10% downside here, a little more. Yeah, so this one's fairly obvious. Short-term bearish, long-term bullish. Probably about 10% downside here. Should come back down to 114, then run to the upside again. Okay. Get GELF. Is it GELF, Kesman? Because that's not coming up for me. XELA. Yeah, up quite a bit today, 30%. But yeah, this is, so meme, it's just probably meme mania. Meme mania is not over. But some of the smaller names squeezing now. Yeah, no news. So, don't know why this is moving, but yeah, a lot of volume, definitely gamma squeezing, probably just meme mania. So, another stock that's probably going to pull back, another meme stock. Don't expect this to keep going for that much longer. But nice day here today. Shorted BBIG at 77 cents. All right, good luck, Koya. That should be, yeah, relatively easy. What I say? Yeah, 20% there. Because it should come back down to around 60. Is that right? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, good luck, Koya. GELYF. Oh, Geely again. Okay. Alright, yeah, dude. So you asked me about this one the other day. So it looks like this is breaking out to the downside now. Remember, I said this is consolidating, and it's going to go either way. So it looks like it's breaking out to the downside. So I'm glad you got out of there, and yeah, I'm glad you were able to flip this day trading. So not sure how much you made, but it sounds like you did pretty well today, so congrats to you, man. And yeah, down 6.33% today, and looks like it's going to break out to the downside. For right now, at least. So short-term bearish as of right now. Okay, ATXI is going absolutely nuts. Alright, I'm going to put in an order here for ATXI at 250. And we're going 880 shares. Alright, order in there. Should have waited a little longer for Ethereum and BTCM. Oh well. Okay. So aftermarket, nothing, still nothing happening. All right, guys. So yeah, that was the TA. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do bonus TA after the show. I didn't really like that TA too much. Nothing that exciting. But I'll double check and maybe I'll do some bonus TA, but probably not. All right. So nothing happening here aftermarket. Let's finish up with the Yolos. So it is 5:07. Yeah, we should be out of here in like 15 minutes. So doing pretty good on time. All right. So we're going to take a drink, and we'll finish up the show with the Yolos today. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Careful shorting BBIG. BBIG apes very strong, too. Yeah, careful shorting any meme stock. But then again, it goes both ways. You make a lot of money, too. All right. Alright guys, so today we have 6 YOLOs. No memes, just straight up YOLOs, gain and loss corn. So let's get right to business. Not too many posts today, so I pulled out the best ones. Just go pretty quickly, so let's have fun, guys. First one by Started Stonks 04-2020. Tilray 13K YOLO. Alright, let's check it out. What is this? Picture of his phone? Why don't you just screenshot, dude? Okay, so did he sell? Hold up. Is he selling calls here? No. I don't know what app this is, but this is pretty confusing to read. Anyway, yeah, so we got Tilray. These now are FDs, pretty much. Bunch of calls here. So February 17th. January 27th. And February 3rd. $3.50 and $4 strikes. Okay. That does not seem like the greatest idea. Alright, actually it's at 325 right now. This actually has a decent chance of working, I guess. Probably not going to work, but this is not as bad as I thought. Not nearly as bad as I thought. So 13K YOLO. Is he up or down? He's down. A little bit. No, he's down a lot. Down about $1,000. Okay, in my opinion, it's not gonna work. So, well, he has 2 weeks left. This is like right there. The $4 one is unlikely. $3.50 is possible. So, you know, personally, I just take the $1,000 loss. It's not even 1,000. It's like, let me see here. This is like $800. I just take the $800 loss and run, because this can be a 13K loss pretty easily. So, I mean, there's a decent chance this works, but more likely not that it doesn't. So, I'd cut it. This is stupid to me. You know, I wouldn't have done this in the first place. Not the greatest expirations. Decent strikes, but yeah, not the greatest expiration and timing, so obviously you're gonna hold it, but yeah, I don't know if that's the best idea. So this is gonna come down to the wire here. So yeah, started stonk 04/2020. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you. This is pretty FD, not like super FD, but yeah, good luck. You're gonna need it. You're gonna need it. Decent chances it works, but I just play it safe and cut it. But yeah, whatever, dude. Good luck to you. Please post updates. All right, bye. And Andy Ner 1 45k Zoom YOLO. All right. So we have 500 shares, average $30 or $70, 35k in shares there, and then we have about 11k in options. March 17th, $90 call. Wow, I don't know about that. All right. What was that? Oh, crap, I got filled on, partial fill. On ATXI. Nice. Yeah, so it looks like it's going to go below 250. But I did get a partial fill there. Okay. I'll take it. Sorry, got distracted. Okay, so this is actually a pretty decent price. 3-year low. $70 is average RSI, but yeah, gap down. I like the entry. I like the entry. Is it gonna hit $90 in 2 months? I don't know about that. Probably not. Let's see here. So March 17th. 90 call. Delta is 16. So, yeah, 16% chance this works. Probably not going to work. So, it's already down 21%. 2.2k. Yeah, so you know what? I actually do like the shares. I don't like the options. So, yeah, I'd probably cut that before it goes to 0. Tough spot, tough spot. Yeah, so, good share play, bad options play. I'd cut it, and, yeah. Anyway. So, not the greatest expiration, not the greatest strike. We'll see how this goes. So yeah, 45k YOLO total. Good luck to you, dude. Hope it works out. Really well done on the shares. Questionable on the options. But yeah, good luck, dude. Please post updates. Time to dump. Huge crash, aka coming 19k for Bitcoin. King Gerald says that. I hope not, but yeah, you know, it did rally quite a bit, so I would not be surprised if it pulled back. Healthy pullback. All right, next one by manufacturer Proud 388. I was extremely sloppy day trading Tesla on Friday, so my break even went up from 110 to 117, but I held through, and these were the results. All right. So I guess this guy's pretty all in on Tesla. Anyway, so we're looking at January 20th calls, 120 strike, and February 17th, 175. I don't know about that, but yeah, so he's up. In options, he's up, yeah, 20.5K. Nice. Or around 20K. Something like that. 20K. And in shares, he's up 51.5K. Very nice, very nice. So, never a bad idea to sell the options right now that are in the money. And you might even want to sell the February ones, because that's unlikely to go in the money. But, yeah. Nothing too crazy here. The guy really likes Tesla. He likes the stock. Oh, this was on Friday. But it went up even more today. So, yeah, this should be worth a lot of money here today. Tesla. Oops. It didn't go up that much today, but should have made money today. Anyway, so, yeah, congrats, dude. Well done. Don't be afraid to sell. Don't be afraid to sell. One's already in the money. Other one unlikely to finish in the money. So, yeah, don't be afraid to sell. But congrats to you, and good luck. Please post updates. Alright, by Hot Blood 27. DED, deleted. So, all time, down 34K, 99%.
And it's gone.
Alright, so clearly options, right? So, discovered options here, lost everything, made some back, lose it all back, made some back, and everything is gone.
And it's gone.
Typical ape, Wall Street Bets ape, typical Robin Hooder. And I guess this is his last YOLO right here. Down 34K, 37K, or 30.7K. Still $400 value here. AEHR. $25 put. Yeah, it's over. Yeah, it's over. Do yourself a favor, save yourself $400. Buy yourself a nice dinner, hire a service provider, make yourself feel better. Yeah, dude, so, typical Robin Hood, Wall Street Bets ape here. So, I'll give you the, in the grand scheme of things, 34K is not the worst thing in the world. You know, yeah, go back to the slave wage, and, you know, I'll see you back here. So, I'll give him the, give him the Wendy's. Give him the Doomer. So, yeah, in all seriousness, you know, don't do F these guys. Let this be a lesson. Expensive lesson. And, you know, yeah, come back stronger. And, you know, preferably not do F these next time. But, yeah. Seeing this a lot. Another victim here. 34K. Little business account. Alright, by Hamitris. Fat fingered a 4K loss Friday because I couldn't do the math that 4 cents times 100 times 1,000 equals 4K, not 400. All right, so the guy hit another zero by accident. I don't even know what all this stuff is. Sell Netflix. TQQQ. I don't even know what. Yeah. Anyway, so he fat fingered it. So yes, this is not uncommon. Really stupid, but not uncommon. I'm guilty of this a few times. I've never lost 4K on a fat finger, but yep, I'm guilty of doing this from time to time. So, but yeah, this is an expensive fat finger. Yeah, this is just a mistake. That sucks. Attempts to panic sell to cover margin. That's funny. Yeah, that's unfortunate, but in hindsight, looking back, it'll probably be pretty funny. So, Demetrius, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. That sucks. All right, last one by New Championship 348 BBBY When Moon. I don't think so. Let's see. Oh, he is. All right. So yeah, this was 10K YOLO, 11K YOLO. Right now he's down about 5K. Yeah, so February 3rd, $3, and January 20th, $3. I don't think. Oh, this is actually in the money. Okay, not as bad as I thought. So this one is. So this was pretty safe. He bought. This is a good strike. Bought them very deep in the money, but he's still down. But this is gonna expire in the money, so at least there's that. And February 3rd, good chance this also expires in the money. So, not the greatest plays. Well, all right. So the dates are not that great, but the dates are not that great. I don't like the expirations. Strikes are good. Little too safe actually, and not well timed. So down right now, but these should expire in the money. So this is not as bad. This is not that bad. If anything, he'll get assigned the shares, and he'll be stuck back holding that. But yeah. So 5K loss so far, but unless this goes below $3, which it really shouldn't. Actually, you never know. But it shouldn't, and the guy should be okay. Just, he's going to end up back holding a lot of stock here, actually. Anyway, not that crazy. So 5K loss. New champion 348. Thanks posting. Sorry for your loss. Good luck to you. You should be okay. Just should expire in the money, and you're gonna sign the shares and the back holding. He actually said sold his position. So I guess he locked in his 5K loss. Never mind. And of course the moon's today. Lol. Alright. Look at SPY. Sure. Alright, anyway guys, that's all the YOLOs for today. Let's do another scan, and we'll look at SPY, and we'll get out of here. Yep, so still nothing happening after market here. So we'll just look at SPY and get out of here. Yep. Let's see. So 59 RSI. So a little bit above average there. Gap did fill. Well, it filled the other day. Are there any downside gaps? I don't think so. Oh no, there is. All right, there is a gap up at 391. So this will probably pull back down to 391 before going to the upside again. But yeah, big rip to the upside, and you know, obviously longer term bullish. Short term, this may come back up to 410 short term to complete this cup here, but I think in the short term this is coming back down to 391 before it comes back to the upside again. So yeah, 410 upside potential, max upside potential, I would say. And yes, should come back down to 391 sometime in the short term. Fill that gap before it runs to the upside again. So yeah, I'm gonna say short term bearish, long term bullish, but this could run to 410 in the short term. pulling back a little bit in the aftermarket here. So as of right now, it looks bearish for tomorrow. Okay, cool. So that is the show for today, guys. So yeah, we went hour and a half, hour 27 minutes. It is now 5:27. So yeah, not too much content today. Pretty short show. But yeah, decent amount of chatting. So appreciate you guys for coming today. Yeah, not the greatest. It was a decent day, but yeah, great show. Appreciate everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed. Noah's here. I just joined. Well, yeah, appreciate you, dude. What's up? But yeah, we're done. we just finished. So hope you can catch the playback or something. But yeah, so pretty uneventful day. Not much going on, news wise. Not much rainbow bearing post market. But yes. Hope you guys enjoyed today's show. A lot of memes. A lot of price action going on with the memes. So I don't think I'm gonna do aftermarket TA here, but possibly. Anyway, so yep, that's the show for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys made some tendies today. I did pretty decent. And yeah, I will catch you back here tomorrow and on Discord. Noah says, made some profits. Alright, congrats to you, dude. Congrats. Yes, I made some profits today, too. So, yes, hopefully tomorrow, more attendees. Alright, guys, that's all I got. So, please smash the like button on your way out. And, yep, let's get out of here. Catch you guys tomorrow and on Discord. Alright. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.